everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Lab.
Where English learning becomes smart and simple.
Hello and welcome back to English Talk Lab and to day 3 of your Shadowing English Speaking Challenge.
Day 3. Look at you. You keep showing up. And that right there is the most important thing you can do for your English.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Ethan.
And we are so excited for today's practice because today's theme, it's one of our absolute favorites.
Delicious. Food, eating, restaurants, cooking, everything.
That's right. Today we are talking about food in English. And trust me, this is one of the most useful topics you will ever practice.
Think about it. Food comes up in every conversation. At home, at work, with friends, at a restaurant, on a date. People always talk about food.
And when you can talk about food naturally in English, what you like, what you eat, how you cook, you instantly sound more fluent, more real, more confident.
So whether you love cooking at home or ordering takeaway, today's sentences are for you.
But first, how did day 2 go? Did you try saying those daily routine sentences to yourself after the video?
Even if you said just one sentence out loud, that counts. That's real practice, and every little bit adds up.
Okay, let's not wait any longer. I'm already hungry just thinking about today's theme.
Same. Let's get into it.
Before we begin, let's talk about why food vocabulary is so powerful for English learners.
When most people think about learning English, they think about grammar or work phrases or travel phrases. But food? Food is personal. Food is emotional. Food is everywhere.
When you go to a restaurant and you can order confidently in English, that feels amazing. When someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" and you can answer naturally, that feels amazing too.
And the beautiful thing about food sentences is that they're warm, they're friendly. They make conversations feel relaxed and easy.
So today, we're going to practice 30 sentences about food and eating. Some are about your habits, some are about restaurants, some are about cooking and flavors.
All of them are things you can use in real life, starting today.
Here's how we'll do it, same as always. I say a sentence, Ethan reacts, then you get your pause. Speak out loud, copy the rhythm, feel the words.
And every sentence today, just 2 repetitions. Simple, clean, effective. Let's go.
Set 1. Short and simple food sentences. Let's warm up. Sentence 1. I love trying new foods. Adventurous. Say it again. I love trying new foods.
Sentence 2. I have 3 meals a day.
Nice and simple. Again, I have 3 meals a day.
Sentence 3. I always eat breakfast in the morning.
The most important meal. Say it again. I always eat breakfast in the morning.
Sentence 4. I enjoy cooking at home.
A lovely habit. Again, I enjoy cooking at home.
Sentence 5. My favorite food is rice and curry.
Delicious. Say it again. My favorite food is rice and curry.
Halfway through set 1. You're sounding great. Keep going.
Sentence 6. I don't eat much junk food.
Very healthy. Say it again. I don't eat much junk food. Sentence 7. I drink water with every meal.
Such a good habit. Again, I drink water with every meal.
Sentence 8. I sometimes eat out with my friends.
Sounds fun. Say it again. I sometimes eat out with my friends.
Sentence 9. I prefer home-cooked food.
Nothing beats home cooking. Again, I prefer home-cooked food.
Sentence 10. Food is one of my favorite things in life.
Mine too. Say it one more time. Feel it. Food is one of my favorite things in life.
Set 1. Done. 10 sentences in. And honestly, that was so smooth. You're getting better with every practice.
Did you notice how natural those sentences felt? That's because food is something we all connect with. And now you're connecting with it in English.
Set 2 is coming up. The sentences get a little longer, a little more detail, but you're ready. I know you are.
Take a breath and let's keep going.
Set 2. Slightly longer food sentences. Let's go.
Sentence 11. I like my food to be spicy and full of flavor.
Now we're talking. Say it again. I like my food to be spicy and full of flavor.
Sentence 12. When I go to a restaurant, I always check the menu first. Very sensible. Say it again. When I go to a restaurant, I always check the menu first. Sentence 13. I enjoy eating fresh fruit and vegetables every day.
Healthy and delicious. Again, I enjoy eating fresh fruit and vegetables every day.
Sentence 14. My favorite drink with food is a cold glass of water. Simple and refreshing. Say it again. My favorite drink with food is a cold glass of water. Sentence 15. I love the smell of food cooking in the kitchen.
Ah, that smell is incredible. Again, I love the smell of food cooking in the kitchen.
15 sentences done. You are halfway through today's challenge. Incredible work.
Sentence 16. I sometimes try to cook a new recipe at the weekend.
That's so fun. Say it again. I sometimes try to cook a new recipe at the weekend. Sentence 17. I don't like food that is too sweet or too salty.
Balance is everything. Again, I don't like food that is too sweet or too salty.
Sentence 18. Eating together with family makes the meal more enjoyable. That is so true. Say it again. Eating together with family makes the meal more enjoyable. Sentence 19. I always feel better after eating a good, healthy meal.
Your body thanks you. Again, I always feel better after eating a good, healthy meal.
Sentence 20. Trying the local food is one of my favorite things when I travel. That's the best part of traveling. Say it again, with excitement. Trying the local food is one of my favorite things when I travel. 20 sentences. Done! You are absolutely flying through this challenge today.
And these sentences, they're real. This is how people actually talk about food in English. Not textbook English, real English.
Take a sip of water. Maybe think of your favorite food for a second, and when you're ready, let's finish with the final 10 sentences.
Set 3. The most detailed sentences of today. Let's finish strong.
Set 3. Rich, detailed food sentences. Let's bring it home. Sentence 21. I usually make a shopping list before I go to the supermarket. So organized. Say it again. I usually make a shopping list before I go to the supermarket. Sentence 22. I enjoy trying different cuisines from around the world.
The world on a plate. Again. I enjoy trying different cuisines from around the world.
Sentence 23. When I'm tired, I prefer to order food rather than cook. Completely understandable. Say it again. When I'm tired, I prefer to order food rather than cook. Sentence 24. I think breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
And the most delicious. Again. I think breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Sentence 25. I always feel hungry after a long day of work or study. We've all been there. Say it again. I always feel hungry after a long day of work or study. I always feel hungry after a long day of work or study. 5 more sentences. You are almost there. Don't stop now. Sentence 26. My favorite restaurant serves the most amazing grilled chicken.
Now I want to go there. Say it again. My favorite restaurant serves the most amazing grilled chicken.
Sentence 27. I try not to eat too late at night because it affects my sleep. Such a wise habit. Again, I try not to eat too late at night because it affects my sleep. Sentence 28. I love sharing food with people. It brings everyone together.
Food is love. Say it again.
I love sharing food with people. It brings everyone together. Sentence 29. Cooking a meal from scratch makes me feel proud and creative. And it tastes even better. Again, cooking a meal from scratch makes me feel proud and creative. Sentence 30. The final one, give it your best. Good food, good mood. That is my personal rule in life.
I love that rule. Say it one more time and mean it. Good food, good mood. That is my personal rule in life.
And that is 30 sentences. Day 3 complete. You did it! Again, 3 days in a row. Do you realize how amazing that is? You are building a real English habit, and that is something to be genuinely proud of.
Today, we talked about food, one of the most natural, warm, and real topics in the English language, and you said every single sentence out loud.
So here's today's little challenge. Tonight or tomorrow morning, describe your meal in English, even just to yourself. I am having rice and chicken for dinner. It smells amazing. Just like that.
Small practice, real progress. That's the English Talk Lab way.
If you enjoyed today's challenge, please give this video a like. It helps so many other English learners find us, and it means the world to us.
Subscribe if you haven't already, and come back tomorrow for day 4. A brand new theme, brand new sentences, and the same great energy.
We are so proud of you. Truly, 3 days down, you are unstoppable.
Until tomorrow,
Keep speaking, keep growing,
and never ever give up.
and never ever give up.